Hello, my brother. Looking here. This is our welding robot. The robot arm span is 1.5 meters. The load is 6 kilograms, 4,000 dollars. The welding machine is $3,000. The ground rail is 2 meters, $3,000. The position can load 200 kilograms, $3,000. Come here.